Mr. Ram is a 9 to 5 guy. He has a very decent job, but he is not connecting to that. He is not having very much interest. So to find and to realize his purpose, he joined Growthpreneur program. He is having clarity, but he is not able to make it onto the social media. He is not able to progress further. Then what needs to be done? Right? The things that are to be clear very much in his mind. What is the problem that he is solving? He is clear. Who are the people that can easily fit into? So this is where he is a bit confused. So there is this insight on the wall. There, the demographic on the left side and the psychographic on the right side. Demographic is what is the future client's job, location, interest, and psychographic is desires, frustrations, fears. Based on this, need to find out by spending some time around these areas. We find out the customer's persona. Then what? When he is thinking very much deep, right? I know my passion. I know the person who I wants to. How can I create this connection? How can I pull him towards me, right? So this is what you need to be ready with your story. In any content or video, you start with your story. What is your failure? How did you come out of it? Right? So you start with the problem you faced and how did you solve it. So what will happen if the problems are not solved? So through this you create the attention. Right? Then how can you do this? The economics of this one is person. Yes, you find out the person. Then product. What are you trying to offer? And program. What are the programs that in your hand through which you will offer these products, and on what platform? Right? Whether it is your own website or the social media. So what are you utilizing it, right? Through which you should be able to get that connection and pull the customer towards you, right? Along this, you also there are some helpers needed, right? What are those helpers? The quote of the week: targeted content is the king. And two currencies you need to keep in mind: focus and attention. And how to get traction is one more formula: attention, get the attention, create the interest, I, and convert that into desire, and finally get that into action. This is how we need to create the traction. Then the USP, if you see, it's a 5P: passion, purpose, potential, payable client, and persona. Economics is 4P: product, person, product, program, and platform. And there is this 3I concept: insight, which is at conscious level; intuition is at subconscious level; instinct is at unconscious level. That is, you create the insight, you give the wisdom through which the intuition will develop in the customer's mind, and that should be converted to instinct, reaction, taking action. This is 3I formula. And there are various platforms. Find out what is the correct platform for you or for RAM, right? Then cut down your consumption and increase your production, because more and more action Mr. Ram has to take. And this is how Mr. Ram is targeting. Are you also? This is more into visibility. The more visibility you create, the more impact that you create, the more value add, and you get the rewards. Right? Keep learning, stay tuned. Very good insights, heap of information, it's downpouring. We need to concentrate that one and use it. We need to take action for our betterment. Thank you.